Hey guys, Scuba Max here. Today we're at Westwood Lake on Vancouver Island. It's a pretty crappy rainy day, so we figured might as well get in the water, because what else should we do? Would be nice to see some bass, maybe some rainbow trout, and last year there was actually some piranhas in this lake, so hopefully we don't see those. Anyways, should be fun. I'm gonna try and find some fishing lures and just pick up some garbage. Hope you enjoy. Up a whole bunch of garbage from the lake, which is sweet, but the best part was finding all this free fishing tackle. Bill and I kind of went our separate ways, so I actually didn't get to film a lot of the stuff that he found, and he found some really sweet stuff, so let me show you what we got. So he found this Contigo mug, which just got mangled. These are supposed to be really great coffee cups, but clearly something happened to this one. We found tons of beer bottles like Corona and Smirnoff Ice and all those types of things, but these were kind of interesting. They look like a little bit more of an older model, so I'm not sure what year this would be from, but kind of neat. So one of those, and then two of these guys. So if you know what these are for, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And then this is Bill's favorite here. We found a nice mason jar in perfect condition, so give this a nice wash and we'll be able to probably reuse it, to be honest. Alright, so we got tons of little weights here, which I'll be able to reuse. A couple of hooks, a little swivel, some little worms, some nice spinners. This one's kind of crappy. I really like this one. And then we got this little wormy here. We got this massive spoon here. And tons of crankbaits. This one's really nice. Blue one. Well, we had a blast filming this video, and I just really want to encourage everybody to pick up trash when they see it, put it where it belongs so we can clean up our lakes and rivers and oceans. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care.